Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change vibration intensity on your XIAOMI Smart Band 10. So first, open up settings, and right here we will have vibration. So now here we will have the vibration intensity, and here we can change it to strong. As you guys can see, it started vibrating, or soft. As you guys can see, the effect is not that strong as the strong option, and the standard I think was the best. Strong, as you guys can see, strong is just very strong, so be careful with that. I recommend you guys using either standard or soft because I don't see the point of using a strong one, but that's just me. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.